Hola! Welcome to mi canal, Spanglish Fantastico. My name is Ruth and I give classes de español. I mezclo español con inglés, hence Spanglish Fantastico. How do I do that? Okay, well you can hear un poco. What I'm doing is I'm choosing words that I think you can comprender, either because they're cognates like comprender, or from el contexto. This is a channel about learning Spanish, so you know español from el contexto. And I also give conexiones to help you to aprender new words. For example, aprender is to learn, and what does an apprentice do? Aprender. Bien? I love words, and I hope that mi entusiasmo will help you to mantener la motivación, because I want you to aprender español. I like la historia of words. So, for example, an orange en español es una naranja. Now, if we look at the history, la historia of the word orange en inglés, it was an orange, and then it became an orange. So that was la evolución. And when you listen to the Spanish word naranja, orange, naranja, mucho más similar, and that can help you again. So we've got conexiones y historia. What do we do here on Spanglish Fantastico? It's classes de español about topics. I don't really go into la gramática, so you're going to be learning vocabulario y comunicación on mi canal. I also do a daily word builder section, and that comes from Dan Hall's learning journal. 1 word and 7 different takes, really short videos, 1 minuto, 2 minutos, 3 al máximo. So 7 different ways of looking at 1 word. So at the end, al final de 7 videos, you're really going to know that word. And you can buy this book, which is a study book, a study companion. If you look on my channel, it's on the banner or on the description of this video. The other thing that I wanted to say was I post content regularly, so subscribe so you get a notification when I've posted, and share mi contenido con tus amigos who want to aprender español. Te veo. I will see you muy pronto. Hasta pronto.